The tax return season began today, and many took advantage of the day off work for Labor Day to go and file their returns as soon as possible. This year, there are a number of major changes to the system, including a new deduction for basic living expenses that could help large families to save money.
By 8:30 a.m. today, a long queue snaked up to the National Taxation Bureau in Taipei before it even opened its doors. Inside, staff were set up and ready to greet the hordes coming in the door. Stacks of forms are arranged in the foyer for visitors to pick up and fill in. Upstairs is divided into one zone for looking up information and one for completing online tax forms.
这边比较快啊，服务人也比较多啊。
今天是那个5一劳动节啊，我们休息啊，所以我就在这边来一起报我的跟我小孩子的税。
A new system of individual income tax takes effect this year. The basic exemption has gone up to 88,000 NT dollars. Income tax brackets have been widened, and a new basic living expenses deduction has been created.
我们这个就是按照16.6万元。
The basic living expenses figure is calculated as $166,000 multiplied by the number of people in the household filing the tax return, including the taxpayer themselves, their spouse, and dependents. This figure is compared with the sum of the taxpayer's exemption, standard deduction or itemized deductions, and special deduction for salary or wages. If the figure for basic living expenses is higher than the sum of the exemptions and deductions, then we have a deduction for the discrepancy.
This year, the last day to file one's tax returns at the National Taxation Bureau is May 31st. Those whose returns are overdue will face a fine of 1% for every 2 days of delay.